Okay, so this is day 4 now. So what I did is I placed the engine already on the frame. So it's a two-man job, so that's why I can't show the video how you do it. But what you basically do is you need a jack, hydraulic jack, or this one is like an alligator jack from the car. By the way, it's snowing again here in Canada, so yeah, it's back to winter. It's April 2019. So basically what you do is you put your fork, you put the front wheel, and then you put it on the stand. Okay. The next is you put this alligator jack right here with wood on it. Okay, like that. So, and then you grab help or get help, and then you put the whole engine inside. So I put some paper or cloth on it, so it will hit something, so it will damage your paint. So make sure you do that. Put it in, and then somehow you raise the jack little by little, okay, until you reach the holes, the stud or the bolt holes for the engine. Okay, then you slide it. So I don't know if you can see it, but there's two spacers on this side. So on this side, the inside, there's a spacer there, and the same thing here. This side, there's also a spacer there. That spacer. Okay. So yeah. So you put it in, and you're ready. Okay. So if you don't remove the swing arm at the back, it's almost impossible to put the engine in with the transmission with it, because it's gonna be dangling here. There's a propeller sticking in here. Okay, so you can't put it. But since I remove, it's just basically I painted everything, so I removed the propeller shaft, so you can do that. Okay, so that's my day 4. So we're getting there. Okay, that's it.